Hi and hello children. I'm Deepa ma'am wishing you a pleasant day. In last class we saw about conjunction and preposition. So what is conjunction? It is a joining word that joins two ideas or shows the relationship between two parts of a sentence. The two main types of conjunctions are coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? It combines two independent clauses. Then what is subordinating conjunction? Combines an independent clause with a subordinate clause. Then we saw about preposition. What is preposition? It shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and some other word in a sentence. Okay, now today in today's class we are to see articles. So what is an article? An article, it is the adjectives a, and the are usually called as articles. An article is used before a noun. Now let us see about a, and the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Now a and the, they precede, mean they come before the nouns and are used in undefined expressions. And a and an is used only with countable singular nouns. And those, the words which starts with a consonant letter have a tag in the word a at the beginning of the word, and nouns that begin with the vowel that will have the word an at the beginning of the word. So a and an is usually used when expressing what an object is. Now examples: I saw an accident of a car. That is an excellent pencil. And examples for I need a kilogram of salt. And when do we use the article the? If we are talking about a specific object, the is used. Countable, singular or plural, and can be used with all uncountable nouns also. If you are talking about an unknown object or a person, a and an, but if specified object, the is used. Here you have an example for that. Yesterday, I bought a blouse and a skirt. The blouse, so already it is spoken about that, so it is specified here. So the blouse was surprisingly cheap, but the skirt was more expensive. The movie is perfect. So the movie which they have already seen, it is perfect. Now a and the articles. Here the spelling of articles is wrong. Check it. articles. So as I told you, a and they are indefinite articles. So a is used when the next word begins with a consonant. So you can see here a book, b, book, b, a table, t, a clock with the consonant sound. Don't see the alphabets. Okay, don't see the letters. See the sound, consonant sound. A book, b, a table, t, a clock, k. So with those, when you get a consonant sound, you have to use the word a in front of it. An apple, an elephant, an umbrella, So you can see the difference there. So when you get the consonant vowel sound, then you have to use the word and the vowel a, e, I, o, u. It is not in all the letters, all the words you can use it. There are exceptions also. So here you don't say a apple. It is an apple. Not a elephant. It is an elephant because you get the vowel sound there. And about the definite article, when I have already told you when it is specified. we use the with something that is unique or there is only one. The sun, the moon, the internet. And then when you speak about the same noun, I bought a shirt, the shirt is red. So already first once when you say a shirt. And then again when it is specified you say it as the shirt. Then for the directions, the west, the east, the north, the south. Again the same examples, few examples are given there. The difference between a and an. A and an have the same meaning. So A is for A and an. Both are used for singular and they are indefinite articles. The difference depends on the sound of the beginning of the word. As I have told you, A, it is used before the words which has the consonant sound, and an is used before the words which has a vowel sound. A book, b, a frock, f, a car, k, like that. Lemon, l, dog, d, truck, t. And here you can see an apple, an orange, o, an egg, an umbrella, an insect, e, an actor, a. So be careful with the sounds of those letters. Here you can see here a house, h, but an r. So you don't pronounce the word H there. Only O-U-R is pronounced R. So H is silent there. And uncle, but here university, U. So I have already in the class many times I have told you, when you say U, the spelling comes like Y-O-U or Y-U. So there you have to use the word letter A. So this rule applies to all words after A or an, including adjectives, adverbs, and so on. How to use A and an? Again, examples. Use before words beginning with a consonant sound. Then the second point, use before the words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an eraser, an umbrella, a. The should agree with the first sound in the adjective. So it should go along with the first letter of the word, the sound, and adverb adjective combination which stands before a noun. A, use a before words or letters, numbers which sound like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. So here you can see E, a, euro. Okay, so here you don't say euro, you pronounce it as euro. So U or YOU. A university. So again it is YOU or YU, university. Then again next a one. Here VUHN. That is a way, that is a spelling. Okay, ONE, but you don't pronounce it as O, you pronounce it as V, one. And use and before words, letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel, and R, A, and F, A, and 8, A. So I think you understood, children. So see the vowel sound, the consonant sound, don't see the letters. Next we are coming to the indefinite article. Again few examples given there. A dolphin, a university, as I told you, you can see there YU or YOU, a house, and here an elephant, an umbrella, and R, H is silent here. Then rules for using articles a and an. Go through all these 12 points. It's very important. Okay, where you have to use a and an. A must be used before words which begin with a vowel symbol pronounced with the same sound as a euro, a unicycle, a university, and sometimes an is found before words beginning with a letter H, and R, and honor, and higher. Then we use and before abbreviations that begin with a vowel sound, M, A, E, M, M. But as when you pronounce the word like master, ma, but for M, A, M-A, MSc, MBBS, all those you have to use the word and. Then a or an must be used before the singular noun, a chair, a bottle, and an umbrella. And fifth point, a or an must be used before the noun names of a professions, a director, an editor, a teacher. And when you mean some typical example, use a or an. A cat drinks milk. And then again, such plus a or an plus noun. For example, such a policy, such a long trip, such a great teacher. And the following words has to be indefinite article. So plus adjective plus a or an plus noun. So boring, a book. So beautiful, an actress. Likewise. And few and little are negative in meaning. A few, a little are positive and mean some. And they give the meaning of some. He is young and has little experience of life. In its original numerical sense of one, not a word was said. 12 inches make a fool. Sorry, 12 inches make a fool. A and one thing or person. She works in a hospital. I have got a puppy. We use a or an when we say what a thing or a person is. Coca-Cola is a beverage. A dog is a domestic animal. So these are the rules. Just go through all these rules carefully. And next what we are going to, so already a and ample of examples given. So I think you understood that. Next we'll see the. Use the for a specific item. The umbrella as in the bag. So specific, when you say it specifically, you use the word the. The cat is on the tree. Now definite article the, where you have to use. Inventions. Is it difficult for you to live without the computer, the internet, the radio news, and then before superlatives, the best, the tallest, the worst, and unique objects, like how objects or and people. How old is the president? Do you think the world is in danger? Is the sun, the moon, the stars, all those groups of people, like homeless people, the famous, the rich, so groups of people. And comparative, the more you eat, the thinner you get. The more you earn, the more you spread spend, sorry, the more you spend, the more you travel, the more you learn. Then countries with plural names. Have you ever been to the Bahamas? Do you know anyone who is from the Philippines, Maldives, the Maldives? And seas and oceans, before seas and oceans, before mountain ranges. And here also the same in geographical names, the wherever it is used. Like as I have told you, the north, the south, the directions, and the unions of countries, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and the biggest country in the Russian Federation is the biggest country in the world. Group of islands already you have seen. Then seas, oceans, gulfs, groups of lakes, the Great Lakes. Likewise, then rivers, before the rivers, the canals, the channels, the poles, North Pole, South Pole, the Republic of and continents, groups of mountains, oceans, waterfalls, deserts. So all these, you have to use the word the. Specifically, when you say about, you have to use the word the article the. So I think children that you have understood all this. Then when not to use article. You talk about things in general. When you speak something in general, milk is good for you. You don't say the milk is good for me. Milk. Then let us go and play basketball to talk when you speak about sports and games. And before the names of countries, don't use the language. Do not use the. And before the names of railway stations, when they are also place names, not to use the. Before the names of meals, and before noun and number. The laboratory is in room number 6 on the third floor. So these are the rules when you are not supposed to use articles. I think you all understood, children. Now let us see the home assignment. So this is the home assignment given for you all in your English reader. Do page number 13. A and B main already you have done. C main preposition is already done. A and B main page number 13 in your English reader. Thank you.